Nakabenta ban perking ya kajing lang beriu nakaliang Deputy Commissioner ila pensyai ba insya ban pli dukan bam Henry sya yeno ban net bam ne ban net thiet hi ban ieng lan haki restoran ne kinu dukan Henry la Pynshlur ban pindan kam da ka bashu phara sha yeng ne da ka home delivery. Ba ilayat ho ba ya ka pass ban penpoy kitia don kam sha kitliu yeng la ban apply na ka website jong district bala pentip ba. Lamana ban pli kinu dukan ki bamyede bat ki marbam ilayat hu ru bala dep ban khang yigi kattu katni ki dukan ki bala pen khen yigi kendon bala pha da katanat ka koi ka kya te khnang ban nat na kanu ka jing penstam la penshai shakipat ba be ki de ban board printi ya ki jing patha.
Come and stand in line in front of the shop and wait for their items to be ready, but only home delivery will be permitted. Bars, clubs, cinema halls, salons, beauty parlors, yoga institutes, gymnasiums, cyber cafes, gaming parlors, tier counters, and swimming pools shall remain closed in continuation to our previous order. The order ended today. This will continue till the 10th of May. Any other shops not dealing in essential commodities and open without due permission from this office will be liable for action as per law. For your information, we have already closed down around 10 to 15 shops in different zones around the city for non-compliance. And we have closed them indefinitely. We want to send a message to the people that we have to work together in this endeavor. If people are violating social distancing norms, sitting closely in a restaurant without following due protocols, you are posing a risk to everyone around you. You may be contracting the virus and taking it home to your family members. And in this time of a pandemic, we need absolute individual as well as collective responsibility.